Hi, in this video I will show you a setup process of a new WAHOO cycling computer. When you will unbox your WAHOO and turn it on, you will see the screen like that. And to start using it, you need to pair it with a phone app, and to do that you need to install and open WAHOO Ride Run Train app from the Play Store or App Store. Open it. Then you will need to create an account, and there, to pair it with your phone, you need to go to the devices, tap on the pair new, select element, and scan this QR code. And now both devices are pairing. Tap on the begin setup. Select your home Wi-Fi network and enter a password. Okay, like that, and tap on the continue. Now phone will check for updates. No updates. Okay, and it's all completed, and your WAHOO is ready to be used. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.